Well, hello everybody. I just wanted to make this little well, it's a big announcement. Before I showed this next video, um, this this announcement is coming after I had filmed and edited that last video or this next video. And so it's a hard decision to make, but I have decided that this is going to be my last food review video. And just focus more on my music, promoting music on my website, on my YouTube page, excuse me. And yeah, that's what I'm going to focus on. I mean, let's just face it. I mean, there's a lot of food reviewers out there, and they do a far better job than me. They can afford it. But yeah, it's a money issue as well. I just can't afford to do it anymore. So I'm going to focus on making my music and making videos about music. And I hope you stick with me. Alright, enjoy this next video. Well, hello all my friends and all my family. Welcome to another Big Matt's food review. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make very easy, pepperoni pizza sliders. Pepperoni pizza sliders. Go ahead and cue the intro.
Welcome all my friends and all of my family. It's time for another Big Matt's food review.
Alrighty, so to get things started, first off, we're going to go ahead and preheat the oven. We're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. Alright, take a baking sheet, spray it with cooking spray so it won't stick. Alright. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to take these leftover hamburger buns. These are Walmart brand. I don't know, Wally World brands. And we're going to go ahead, open them up, and place them in the cooking pan. And you can either make your sauce, do whatever you like to do, your favorite sauce. I have some leftover marinara sauce, so I'm going to use that. I have Pizza Blend, two cheese blend. It's a 2 cheese blend, and I have extra large pepperonis on which I'm gonna have to obviously cut up. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we have everything placed in the pan, like I stated, and opening up my sauce. If you want, you can go ahead and make your own. Sometimes I like to make my own, but it's easier this way. And I already, like I said, I've already sprayed the pan while the oven is preheating. Gonna take a little bitty scoop of pizza sauce. You know me, those who know me, I like a lot of sauce. And just spread it all the way around to the edges. Super easy. Alright. And a little bit more sauce. There we go. Like so. There we go. Took a little bit bigger scoop that time. Alright. Same thing on this one. Perfect. Alright. Now we're going to take our cheese. Gently, ever so lightly, spread the cheese around, otherwise you'll have a mess on your hands. Like I just did. It was like cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Typical pizza cheese. There we go. There's no real science on how much cheese to put. It just goes to your liking. Spread that around a little more evenly. Alrighty, and now for the giant pepperonis. And actually, I might only need just one pepperoni if I just break it in half to cover. Oh, I already got one started already. Alright, so boom and boom. And one more ought to do it. Maybe even just a half of one. Yep. Boom and boom. Alright. And I like to add a little bit of oregano to it. Before it goes in the oven. Okay, and that is ready to go in the oven just as soon as the oven is finished preheating. Okay, so far so good. No major mishaps. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the oven timer. I'm gonna set it for 12 minutes. It may not even need that much. I'm going to go ahead with 12 minutes. Go ahead and put it in the oven, and when it comes out, I'm going to go ahead and restart the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like this kind of content. Tell a friend. Keep those likes and shares coming. Appreciate it. I'll be right back with the final results. Alrighty, and I am back. Gonna go ahead and cut off the oven now, because it is ready for the show. Oh yes indeed. Look at that. Alright, we'll go ahead and put this on a plate. And just like that, let's go ahead and head to the table. Alrighty, and again, we are back. Gonna take one of these. Only takes a little bit. Look how nice and brown that is. Crispy, cheesy, and saucy. Haha. Let's go ahead and dive right in. I can't rightfully give it a rating. I'll just suggest you go ahead and try this at home. Real easy, real simple to make. Look at that steam coming off. Good, very good. Like I said, I can't officially give it a rating because it's something I made. So you can go ahead and try it yourself. Tell me what you try this yourself. Tell me what you think in the comments. And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and tell a friend. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot.